Welcome to Cold Brew Finance's U.S. End-of-Day Technology Deep Dive for Friday, March 14, 2025, covering market moves in technology, communications and healthcare indexes, stocks, and ETFs. I'm your host, Ira Roth. Let's dive in. Technology indexes showed strong gains today despite negative trends. The Nasdaq 100 rose 479 points to 19,704. While the Nasdaq Composite gained 451 points to 17,754. The technology sector led with a 3% gain. Market breadth was notably weak despite price gains. The Nasdaq Composite showed just 609 advancers versus 2,572 decliners. The technology sector had similar weakness with 88 advancing stocks against 606 declining. Tech sector returns have been challenging. The technology sector is down 9.4% year-to-date. The Nasdaq Composite has declined 8.1% this year, while healthcare has bucked the trend, up 5% in 2025. Leading tech gainers today. Palantir Technologies jumped 8.3% to 86.24, while Supermicro rose 7.9% to 42.17. CrowdStrike and Micron Technology both gained over 6%. Year-to-date returns show Supermicro leading with a 38% gain, followed by Micron up nearly 20%. Palantir has gained 14% this year despite recent market weakness. Among weaker performers, First Solar declined for the third consecutive day, falling 0.22% to 132.51. Juniper Networks showed downward volatility for the sixth straight day despite a small gain today. Year-to-date performance shows First Solar down 25%, while Enphase Energy has fallen 15%. Accenture has declined 9.4%, reflecting broader tech sector weakness. Technology ETFs showed strong gains today. QQQ advanced 11.32 to 479.66, while the Vanguard Information Technology Index Fund rose 16.57 to 563.1. The VanEck Semiconductor ETF gained 7.2 to 226.57. Despite today's gains, all three funds are showing very strong negative trends. Year-to-date performance metrics reveal significant declines. 3x bullish QQQ shows the steepest decline at -21.75%, while its counterpart, the 3x bearish QQQ, has gained 17.95%. Month-to-date, these leveraged ETFs continue their opposing movements with -17.36% and +16.97% returns respectively.
Looking at stocks in tech industries, I'm Sally Short. Meta Platforms led gains with a 2.8% rise to 607.60. Microsoft and Amazon advanced 2.5% and 2% respectively. Strong negative trends persist across the group despite today's gains. Looking at returns, Apple shows the most significant weekly decline at -10.7%. Year-to-date, Alphabet and Apple lead losses at -12% and -14.7% respectively. The month-to-date metrics show consistent weakness across all five companies. In semiconductor stocks, SEALSQ and Semtech both surged over 21%. Wolfspeed gained 14.4%, while AXT and Navitas Semiconductor rose about 12% each. Several showed breakouts from recent flat trading patterns. Looking at returns, Semtech leads week-to-date gains at 18.2%. SEALSQ shows strength with 15.3% month-to-date returns. However, year-to-date performance remains challenging, with most stocks showing significant declines. In cloud computing, CrowdStrike led gains, rising 6.3% to 353.74. Hewlett-Packard Enterprise and Okta followed with increases over 5%. Atlassian and Shopify each gained nearly 5%. Examining returns, Okta stands out with impressive gains of 24.4% month-to-date and 42.8% year-to-date. In contrast, Hewlett-Packard Enterprise and Atlassian show month-to-date declines exceeding 20%. In AI and robotics, iRobot surged 20.9% despite showing downward volatility. Symbotic gained 5.3%, while Ambarella rose 4.9%, marking its fourth consecutive positive close. Looking at performance metrics, iRobot shows significant volatility with a minus 47.7% weekly decline, despite today's gains. Ambarella posted the only positive weekly return at 3.2%. Year-to-date declines persist across the sector. In thematic ETFs today, SPEAR Alpha ETF led gains, rising 6% to 21.64 after breaking out from sideways movement. Robotics and AI and automation, Bulltwax, followed with a 5.2% increase to 20.21. Both funds show strong negative trends despite today's gains. Weekly returns show BYD outperforming with a 2.1% average daily gain. However, year-to-date returns remain challenging across the group, with Tesla down over 8% on average daily. AI and robotics ETF shows the most stability with minimal daily losses. Electric vehicle stocks showed strength today, led by BYD, advancing 5.7% to 100.9 on its fourth consecutive up day. Tesla gained 3.8% to 249.98, breaking out of recent sideways movement despite its strong negative trend. Looking at returns, BYD stands out with a 47% year-to-date gain and strong weekly performance of 10.7%. NIO shows positive momentum with 9.6% weekly gains. Tesla continues to lag, down 38% year-to-date. Quantum computing stocks surged, with D-Wave Quantum jumping 46.8% to 10.15 amid high volatility. Quantum computing and Rigetti computing followed with gains of 29.1% and 28.2% respectively. Returns show remarkable strength in D-Wave Quantum, with a 96% weekly gain and 85% month-to-date return. Quantum computing posted strong weekly gains of 41%, though remains down 57% year-to-date. Solar stocks were led by SUNation Energy, with a dramatic 64.1% surge to 0.53, breaking out after 4 flat days. Maxion Solar Technologies followed with an 18.6% gain to 3.69, despite showing a very strong negative trend. Return metrics highlight SUNation Energy's volatile performance, up 81% month-to-date, but down 80% year-to-date. Solar Edge Technologies shows relative stability with an 18.5% year-to-date gain, despite recent sideways movement. Among thematic technology ETFs, Invesco DWA Technology. Momentum ETF led gains, rising 3.75 to 61.99, a 6.4% increase. Fidelity Cloud Computing and WisdomTree Cloud Computing Fund both advanced 4.3%. Despite today's gains, all funds maintain strong negative trends. Returns analysis shows significant weakness across these tech themes. Year-to-date, Invesco DWA Technology Momentum is down 14.6%, while ARC Innovation has declined 13.4%. Month-to-date performance is particularly weak, with ARC Innovation dropping 11.6%.
And with that, we wrap up another end-of-day technology deep dive. I'm Ira Roth, along with my AI co-host, Sally Short. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, comment, share. Cold Brew Finance is an experimental project with market reports written, narrated, and delivered totally by AI, with market data kindly provided by financialmodelingprep.com. Always seek professional financial advice before making any investment decisions. Check into the channel daily for coverage of stocks, crypto, currency, and commodities. Thanks for watching.